I am home from school. I am very tired today. I am also very hungry. What can I eat now? I want a quick snack. I will make a sandwich. A sandwich is very easy to make. First, I need to go to the kitchen. I am in the kitchen now. Where is the food? The food is in the fridge. I walk over to the fridge. I open the big door. It is cold inside.
I look inside the cold fridge. What do I need? I need some bread first.
Here is the brown bread. I take the bread out. I put it on the table.
I open the bag of bread. I carefully take out 2 slices, 1 and 2. Now, I need something inside the sandwich. I like cheese. Do we have any cheese?
Yes, we have cheese. It is yellow cheese. I take the cheese out of the fridge.
I put the cheese on the table. The cheese goes on top of the bread.
What else do I want today? I want a vegetable. A red tomato is very good. I see a big red tomato in the fridge. I take it out right now.
I close the fridge door safely. Then I wash the red tomato with clean water. Now, I have bread, cheese, and a tomato. I need to cut the tomato next.
Hello, Anna! You are home from school. What are you doing in the kitchen today?
Hi, Dad. I am very hungry right now. I am making a cheese and tomato sandwich.
That sounds very yummy, Anna. A sandwich is a great snack. I like sandwiches too.
I have the bread and the cheese, but I need to cut this red tomato.
Wait, Anna. The kitchen knife is very sharp. It is not safe for a child. I am an adult. I can help you cut the tomato. Please give it to me.
Okay, Dad. Here is the clean tomato, and here is the knife. Please be careful.
Thank you, Anna. I will take the knife. I cut the tomato into the thin slices. 1 slice, 2 slices, 3 slices. The tomato is nicely cut. Here you go, Anna.
Thank you so much, Dad. You are very helpful. Now I can finish my sandwich. I put the yellow cheese on the bread. Then, I put the red tomato on top. Finally, I put the second piece of bread on top. My sandwich is all done.
Great job, Anna. The sandwich looks very delicious. Are you ready to eat it now?
Yes, Dad, it looks so yummy.
All right, let's eat it together.
Yes, I am very ready. I take a big bite. It is so good!
Thank you for your help today, Dad. I really love my cheese and tomato sandwich.